This is Madison James, and welcome to AccessYourLifeToday.com. I want to talk to you about passion and persuasion today. I want to talk to you to the possibility of the art of attraction through passion. I want to encourage you today to remain committed to your vision and to your goal, the project that you've started, the thing that you're so intrigued by, and the thing that you passionately do. It's amazing that there's an interesting saying that your gift will make a way for you. In over 13 years of working with young persons, gifted, brilliant, some of them classed as the mediocre achievers, it always amazes me when I look at the interactions that we had and what I learned from them in earlier years and what I see of them in their lives today. Those that live by passion, regardless of their quote unquote status as a high school or middle school student, those who live by passion are the ones who continue to produce the fruits of success today. There's a force of attraction when you are passionate about life and you're passionate about your gift. Your gift will open doors for you. It will attract people to you because passion is attractive. Everyone wants to be alive, even when they don't feel like it. When they recognize something that is alive, something that is moving with power, and it draws them in, and they're influenced by it, they're directed and they're guided by it. That could be you. You could be the guiding light. It's amazing when we look at how we are so attracted to our favorite actors or our favorite athletes or our favorite, whatever it is in the media that individuals do. We are attracted to them because of their passion. And somehow we attach ourselves to that success. We all love the model of success. But here's what I'm saying: that level of success can be yours and it should be yours. You can adopt the same kind of mindset and you can have the same kind of life. But you've got to live by your genuine passion. It will attract to you all the best that the universe has to offer. But then having living by passion means that you are directed and guided to improve upon yourself, to take your passion or your drive with your remarkable idea to the next level. Because it's great to have potential, it's great to have a great idea, but without going on a learning journey, without setting out a course of where we are today and where we would hope to be in our highly successful future, then all the potential in the world would mean nothing. So we have to begin to take the steps in our lives. We have to invest in ourselves. We have to live by passion and allow our gift to make a way for us. This is Madison James, and I'm encouraging you today to allow your gift to make a way for you. Once you've established the continuum and the goal line for you, and I hope that you would sign up for the Passion series so that I can help you to get along that track, uh, you want to live by passion every day. You can allow your gift to make a way for you. You want to attract others so that you can impart some of the beauty of your passion and also be influenced by them. You want to make your mark and you want to make a difference on planet Earth. You want to live by passion every single day. Passion matters. You matter. Your gift, your remarkable idea is needed in the world today. I want to encourage you to continue to live by passion. This is Madison James. Thank you for joining me today. AccessYourLifeToday.com.